The Tangerine Money-Back Credit Card is a standout choice for anyone living in Canada who wants a simple way to earn money on their daily spending without paying an annual fee. The most important thing to know right away is that there is absolutely no annual fee for the primary card holder or for any additional authorized users you might want to add. Right now, there is an enticing welcome offer available where new cardholders can earn 10% cash back on up to $1,000 in purchases made within the first 2 months. This essentially puts a $100 value back into your pocket just for starting out. When looking at the costs of carrying a balance, the purchase annual percentage rate is 20.95% and the cash advance annual percentage rate is 22.95%. If you are looking to move debt over, they offer a 1.95% interest rate on balance transfers for the first 6 months, provided those transfers are made within the first 30 days of opening the account. There is a 1% fee during this promotional period, which jumps to 3% afterward. For those who travel or shop online from international retailers, it is important to note the 2.50% foreign exchange fee. One of the best parts about this card is how accessible it is, requiring a minimum personal income of only $12,000, making it a great option for students or those working part-time. The real magic of this card lies in its customization. It works like a choose-your-own adventure reward structure. Most cards tell you where you can earn, but Tangerine lets you choose 2 categories to earn 2% unlimited cash back. Even better, if you choose to have those rewards deposited into a Tangerine savings account, you unlock a third 2% category. You can choose from 10 different categories, including groceries, gas, restaurants, and more unique ones like furniture, home improvement, and public transportation or parking. Unlike many other cards that make you wait an entire year to see your rewards, Tangerine deposits your cash back every single month. This provides immediate liquidity and a nice little boost to your bank balance on a regular basis. There is no cap on how much 2% cash back can be earned in those chosen categories, which is a massive plus for high spenders in specific areas like home renovations. However, no tool is perfect, and there are some drawbacks to consider. The most glaring issue is the weak base rate. Any purchase made outside of your 2 or 3 chosen categories only earns 0.5% cash back. This is significantly lower than many other no-fee cards on the market that offer a flat 1% across the board. If you try to use this as your only card for every single purchase, you might actually be leaving money on the table. The insurance coverage is also quite minimal. While you do get purchase assurance for 90 days and an extended warranty for up to 1 year, there is no travel insurance, no mobile device protection, and no rental car coverage. Another point of frustration for many is the approval process. Even though the income requirement is low, the approval algorithm is known for being a bit finicky. There have been instances where people with credit scores over 800 have been declined without a clear explanation. You also need to be very careful with your payments. If 2 consecutive payments are missed, the interest rates can spike significantly to 25.95% on purchases and 27.95% on cash advances. This card is an incredible fit for someone who has very specific high-spend areas that are often ignored by other cards. If a lot of money goes toward recurring bill payments or home improvement, the 2% return is top tier. It is also a must-have for existing Tangerine Bank customers because that third 2% category really rounds out the value. It appeals to people who prefer a simple, monthly cash deposit over complicated point systems or travel rewards that require math to figure out the actual value. On the flip side, it is not the right choice for someone looking for a one-card does-it-all solution because of that low 0.5% base rate. It is also a poor choice for frequent travelers due to the foreign transaction fees and lack of travel protection. If your income is over $60,000 personally or $100,000 for your household, it would actually be better to look at the Tangerine World MasterCard, which offers the same $0 fee but includes better insurance and airport lounge access. In summary, the Tangerine Money-Back Credit Card is a powerful, flexible tool for maximizing cash back in specific categories without the burden of an annual fee. It solves the pain point of rigid reward structures by letting the user decide where they save the most. However, it is vital to remember the risks involved. The interest rates are high at 20.95% for purchases and 22.95% for cash advances, and these can climb even higher to 25.95% or 27.95% if payments are missed. Additionally, the 0.5% base rate means it should ideally be paired with another card to ensure you aren't losing value on everyday purchases outside of your chosen categories. Use it strategically for your 2% categories, and it serves as a fantastic financial asset.